Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Trello templates to organize your projects quickly and efficiently. First, log into Trello. Once you're in, head to the top of your dashboard and click on the Templates button. This will open a variety of pre-made templates designed for different needs, from business project management to personal productivity. Next, browse the templates and choose one that fits your project. Take a moment to pick wisely, as this will give your board the right structure from the start. Once you've selected a template, give your new board a descriptive title so it's easy to identify, something like Q2 marketing campaigns, for example. Finally, click the Create button, and Trello will generate a fully set up board based on your chosen template. From here, you can track tasks, monitor progress, and keep your team aligned, all in one streamlined view. And that's it. Using Trello templates saves you time and helps you focus on what really matters in your projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.